Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify application not responding issue. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you're not being able to use your Spotify applications since it is not responding on your mobile device, the first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to an internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data, and once connected, go back to Spotify and see if that fixes your issue. If it does not, then simply force quit Spotify application. Close your Spotify application if it is running in your background, and now tap open settings, and now go to the app drawer and press hold to Spotify app. Tap on the app info page from the pop-up. Now from the app info page, tap on storage. Tap on clear cache at the bottom right hand corner, which will clear out your cache data that has been accumulated on your Spotify application. You can also try clearing its data by tapping on clear data at the bottom left hand corner and wipe out all of the data in the application permanently, including files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. Once you are done with it, go back to Spotify application and log in back to your account to see if that fixes your issue. Apart from that, if nothing else works out, then the next thing to do is to make sure that you've updated the latest version of Spotify. Go to your Play Store and search for Spotify into the search box. If your application needs an update and the update is available, you should be able to see an update button popping up right next to Spotify application. But if you see an open button, it means your application is already updated. Update your application to the latest version if your app needs an update, and then check if that fixes your issue. If it still does not, the next thing to do is to simply delete Spotify application from your mobile device. Find the application and press hold to the application for quite some time and tap on the uninstall button popping up in the pop-up menu. To delete the application entirely from the system, tap on OK in the pop-up, and once you delete your application, go back to Play Store and reinstall the app and launch it on back again. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to work with Spotify application or the application is quite not responding on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.